Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see liked post on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, click on like this post and okay to like, then tap on menus, click on settings, scroll down, tap on activity log. Okay, click on activity history, tap on filters, click on categories, tap on your Facebook activity, click on comments and reaction, then tap on like and reaction. Okay, then show your all Facebook post like. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe.